Welcome to Focus Online Education. Shakespeare's monologue. The 7 Ages of Man. Original lines with rephrased lines for better comprehension.
All the world's a stage, and all the men and women merely players. They have their exits and their entrances. And one man in his time plays many parts. His acts being 7 ages. At first the infant, mewling and puking in the nurse's arms. Then, the whining schoolboy, with his satchel and shining morning face, creeping like snail, unwillingly to school, and then the lover, sighing like furnace, with a woeful ballad, made to his mistress' eyebrow, then a soldier, full of strange oaths, and bearded like the part, jealous in honor, sudden and quick in quarrel, seeking the bubble reputation, even in the cannon's mouth, and then the justice.
In fair round belly with good capon lined, with eyes severe, and beard of formal cut, full of wise sauce and modern instances. And so he plays his part, the 6th age shifts into the lean and slippered pantaloon, with spectacles on nose and pouch on side. His youthful hose, well saved, a world too wide for his shrunk shank, and his big manly voice, turning again toward childish treble pipes, and whistles in his sound, last scene of all. That ends this strange eventful history, is second childishness and mere oblivion. Sans teeth, sans eyes, sans taste, sans everything.
Simplified lines. The whole world is like a stage. And all the men and women are just actors. They come on stage and leave the stage. And each person plays many different roles in their life. Their life is divided into 7 stages. First, the baby, crying and being taken care of by a nurse. Then, the complaining schoolboy, with his school bag and bright, innocent face, walking slowly, not wanting to go to school, and then the young lover, sighing deeply, writing sad poems to impress his lover, then the soldier, with strange promises, and a beard like a leopard, proud of his honor, quick to start fights, chasing after fleeting fame, even in dangerous situations, and then the judge, with a round belly, filled with good food, with serious eyes and a neatly trimmed beard, full of wise sayings and modern examples. And so he plays his role. Then the 6th stage comes into the thin and elderly man who wears baggy trousers, with glasses on his nose and a pouch by his side, his youthful clothes, now too big for his skinny legs, and his strong, manly voice, turning back to a high-pitched, childish voice, and whistling sounds, the last stage of all. That ends this strange, eventful story, is second childishness and complete forgetfulness. Without teeth, without eyes, without taste, without everything.
A brief description of each age of man in the poem.
1. Infant, a helpless baby, crying and vomiting in its nurse's arms. 2. Schoolboy, a whining, reluctant child trudging to school, carrying his books. 3. Lover, a young man, full of passion and emotion, sighing over his beloved and composing sentimental poetry.
4. Soldier, a bold, ambitious figure seeking honor and reputation, often impulsive and quick to anger, concerned with fame. 5. Justice, a mature man full of wisdom, settled in life.
6. Old age, a frail, thin man with spectacles and a shrinking stature, losing his physical strength and vigor. 7. Extreme old age, second childhood a return to dependency, marked by memory loss, physical frailty, and the loss of senses, culminating in oblivion, like a second infancy. This poetic meditation highlights the transient nature of human life, portraying it as a series of repetitive roles in an inevitable journey from birth to death.
Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Focus Online Education.